Dr. Holohan, the most high-profile public figure during this pandemic. Is this announcement a surprise?
Well, Colette, the timing of it really is the most noteworthy thing. No real sense of surprise amongst government ministers and officials that he is standing down from the role. He himself, Dr. Tony Holohan, describing the emergency stage of this pandemic as coming to a close. He recommended the standing down of NPHET, for example, while the Taoiseach last week said that there wouldn't be, in line with an inquiry into the handling of COVID-19, a situation where Tony Holohan will be grilled about his leadership in the Department of Health. But while he did clash with ministers and officials throughout the COVID-19 pandemic, as you say, he became perhaps the most noteworthy figure in that. Some ministers remarking to me over the course of the pandemic that he became the most significant member of Irish public life who wasn't an elected official. Tony Holohan, 21 years in the Department of Health, first as the Deputy Chief Medical Officer, 14 years then as the Chief Medical Officer. During that time, overseeing responses to the swine flu pandemic. There was, of course, the controversy around cervical check, and then, of course, most noteworthy and recently, the COVID-19 pandemic. This evening, the Taoiseach Micheál Martin paying tribute to Tony Holohan, a man he has known for over 20 years now, saying his steadfast, assured advice and willingness to communicate over the course of COVID-19 pandemic undoubtedly helped save lives and kept Ireland safe during an exceptionally challenging 2 years. The Taoiseach continuing his work chairing the NPHET, his professionalism and calm and personable nature gave us all the assurance we needed during the pandemic. Tony Holohan now moving to a new role at Trinity College, Dublin, which he will take up in July. He will continue as the Chief Medical Officer until that point. Tony Holohan himself in a statement saying it has been a great privilege to serve as the Chief Medical Officer and to have had an opportunity to be directly involved in issues of great importance and relevance to the people of Ireland. He added saying that in particular the past 2 years of the COVID pandemic presented extreme challenges and he is honoured to have worked alongside exceptional colleagues in the Department of Health, the HSE and across the whole of government.
And Richard, this announcement is coming on a day when we've had high COVID cases reported.
Yes, once again, Colette, COVID-19 figures at a very high level. 9,324 PCR confirmed cases of COVID-19, 10,540 through antigen tests at this point. And the HSE stressing to us over the course of the last number of days that hospitals are under extreme pressure at this point. A number of hospitals across the country restricting visitations, as well as peeling back a number of services, including elective care. They are urging people to avoid emergency departments unless it is absolutely essential. The warning going out to people that there is still a risk out there from COVID-19.
Thank you for all of